From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Dela Rosa with your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Taking a live look at Beaver Stadium right now, we notice we have gorgeous sunny skies across the area right now. Our current temperature at the moment in State College is 39 degrees. It feels like 35 degrees with a dew point of 27 degrees, visibility of 10 miles, and winds coming from the east-northeast at 6 miles per hour. So your temperatures across the central portion of the state right now are generally around 40 degrees to about 45 degrees. And then as we zoom out across the entire Commonwealth, we notice that temperatures are generally uniform with temperatures in the low to mid 40s across the entire state right now. As for our wind speeds, we notice that our wind speeds are around calm to about 10 miles per hour in the eastern portions and the western portions of the state, while the central portions a little bit calmer at the moment. Your radar and satellite isn't showing much right now, just some high thin clouds across the Commonwealth right now. And as we zoom out though, we notice that we have this large scale storm system in the plains area, and then some more showers across the southern portions of the country at the moment. Our future weather shows that as we progress through the day, we notice that it's going to be generally clear, mostly sunny. But as we get into the evening, we notice that some clouds start to come in as we progress through the night. And then as we get into tomorrow morning, we notice that temperatures are going to be in the mid-30s with some rain approaching the state from the west. And then as we continue throughout the day tomorrow, we notice that this rain is going to push through the area and then maybe even produce just a slight chance of some mixed precipitation in the north central portions of the state. And then as we progress through tomorrow night, we notice that the rain is again eventually going to fizzle out as we get into Friday morning, but overcast conditions generally remain at that point in time. So our rainfall totals show that we have about 3/10 of an inch in State College, more as you get towards the south and west portions of the state, closer to 1/2 an inch to 3/4 of an inch. But we notice that it's going to be generally not very rainy across the eastern portion of the state, where the very easternmost portions of the Commonwealth are going to experience negligible rain, including Allentown, Scranton, and Philadelphia. And so for the week ahead, after Friday, we notice that Friday night is going to be generally cloudy, improving conditions as we start the weekend. And then Saturday is going to be a very gorgeous day with mainly clear skies across the entire Commonwealth. And then as we progress through Sunday, it'll start to get a little bit cloudier again, but not rainy at all, just some high, thin clouds for your Sunday. So for today, we have a high of 49 degrees with mainly sunny skies, winds coming from the southeast at 1 to 5 miles per hour. And for tonight, we have a low of 31 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions, with winds coming from the east at 3 to 6 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we have a high of 42 degrees with overcast and rainy conditions, with winds coming from the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And so for your 7-day forecast, we notice that temperatures are going to hover around the mid to upper 40s, and then they're going to improve over the weekend and into next week, with highs generally in the mid to upper 50s, with lows approaching 40 degrees as we get into next week. And then with the next week, we notice that it's going to have generally sunny and partly sunny, cloudy conditions as we approach the new week. It's going to be much nicer than what we have right now. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Patrick Dela Rosa with your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Have an amazing day.